All right, so this is what we have today. We're gonna keep it real simple. We have 5 aroma tomatoes that have already been cut up here. We have a whole bundle of cilantro. We're gonna use about half of this and save the rest of it for our tacos. This is half of a big, large red onion. We're gonna use half of that, and we're gonna save the rest for our tacos. And this is 1 serrano pepper. Serrano, not jalapenos, folks. And of course, the juice from half a lime. We got a little extra because we had some tequila, but we're gonna use it, all right? Salt and pepper, that's the last thing. So let's go ahead and get to this. Go ahead and throw the cilantro in. It's not too much. Do about half. That's half a bundle like you would get from the grocery store. Then we're gonna do half of our onion, which is literally a quarter of an onion because it was already a half an onion. Then we're gonna go ahead and throw in all of our serrano. Keep it simple, right? Keep it simple. All the serrano. All right, then we're gonna take our lime and we wanna squeeze about all of this juice out because we want juice from half a lime. Very simple. Here we go. Salt and pepper. Never forget the salt and pepper. Now you salt and pepper to taste. Sea salt. If you ever been to Mexico, they have plenty of sea salt. Now, we mix. Mix it up nice. Make sure you get all those juices meld together, all those flavors meld together. Oh, it smells amazing already. It smells amazing already. But we cannot eat this yet. The key to making a good pico is letting it sit, letting all of those flavors kind of do a handshake. So that's the key. What we want to do, put some plastic over this, put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for about an hour. If you got an hour, let it sit for an hour. You can eat it now, but it's better after 30 minutes to an hour. So we're gonna let that sit. And that's it, folks. I mean, that's as easy as making pico is, the authentic way. Use the serrano instead of the jalapeno, and it's gonna taste outstanding. Hey, put in the comments if you like that. If you guys have any changes, things I should do different, things that you like, maybe throw in a little cumin in there. I mean, I don't like it, but some people like it. So put that in the comments. Tell me what you think. Bye.